Good morning, my beautiful kids. I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn a new letter. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These letters have been arranged in a fixed proper order. This is called alphabets. There are two kinds of letters in English alphabet. That is capital letters and small letters. In the previous classes, we have already learned about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. And today we are going to learn a new letter J. And also we are going to learn how to write the letter J. Okay children? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter J. What letter is this? This is letter J. Can you tell me? This is capital letter J and this is small letter J. This is capital letter J and this is small letter J, which makes the sound J, 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 which makes the sound J, J. Okay children, now let us see some objects. That's the letter J. Okay children, now let us see our first picture. Hey, who is it children? Yes, can you tell me who is he? J for Joker. J for Joker. See here children, Joker makes us to laugh. So, J as in Joker. J as in Joker. Our next picture is, yay, yummy. What is this children? What picture is this? You can see in this picture. Yes. J for juice. J for juice. Do you like juice children? Yes. Children, juice is power packed with the goodness of several essential vitamins and minerals, and its taste also awesome. So, J as in juice. J as in juice. Here we go, next picture. Hey, what is this? Can you tell me what is this children? What is this? Yes, it is jug. J for jug. Do you have jug at your home children? Yes. Children, a jug is a type of container commonly used to hold liquid. Some type of bottles can be called jug. So, J as in jug. J as in jug. Next. Hey, what is this children? Which animal is this? Can you tell me which animal it is? Yes, J for jaguar. J for jaguar. See here children, jaguar, it looks like cheetah, but it is not cheetah. It is jaguar. It has big spots on its body. So, J as in jaguar. J as in jaguar. Let us see your next picture. What is this? Tell me what is this children? Yes, it is jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Children, jellyfish lives in water. Its mouth is found in the center of its body. J as in jellyfish. Our next picture is, Hey, yummy! What is this? Tell me, children, what picture is this? Yes, J for jam. J for jam. Do you like jam, children? Yes, jam is made up of mixed fruits. Jam is made up of mixed fruits. So, J as in j, j, jam. J as in j, j, jam. Our next picture. What is this? Can you guess what picture is this, children? Yes, J for Jeep. J for Jeep. See here, children. Jeep is a oldest four-wheel vehicle. Jeep is a oldest four-wheel vehicle. So, J as in Jeep. J as in Jeep. Let us see a next picture. What is this, children? Yes, it is jacket. Do you have jacket, children? Yes. J for jacket. J for jacket. So, J as in jacket. This is our last picture. Now you tell me, children, what picture is this? Can you guess what picture it is? Yes, J for jungle. Jungle. J for jungle. Children, what do you mean by jungle? Jungle means forest. It is covered with lot of trees with different kinds of trees. So, J as in jungle. J as in jungle. Okay, children, now let us see the small story. That's the letter J. Letter J. Jackie jumps with joy. Jackie is a clever jackal. He wears a blue jacket. He goes to the market in a green jeep. His mother Jenny makes jam and jelly. Jackie sells the jars of jam and jelly. He has a jug of fruit juice to drink. One day, Jagga the jaguar comes to his shop. He buys all the jars from him. Jackie is very happy and jumps with joy. Okay, children, now let us recall. J as in jackal. J as in jacket. J as in jeep. J as in jam. J as in jelly. J as in jug. J as in juice. J as in jaguar. Okay, children, now let us practice how to write the capital letter J. What letter is this, children? It is capital letter J. What letter it is? Capital letter J. To write capital letter J, first we have to keep a pencil in the top red line and draw one standing line and stop near the second blue line and draw one small curve towards left and again go back to the top red line and draw one sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line, small left curve, then sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line and draw one small curve towards left, then go back, small sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line, small curve, then sleeping line to form capital letter J. standing line, small curve, then sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line, small curve towards left and draw one sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line, small curve towards left and one sleeping line to form capital letter J. Standing line, small curve towards left, then small sleeping line to form capital letter J. Okay children, now see this page. What letter is this? It is small letter J. It is small letter J. To write small letter J, first we have to keep a pencil in the first blue line and draw one standing line, touch the red line and one small curve, then go back and small dot between red and blue line to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve and dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve, then dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve, then dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve and one small dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve towards left and one dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve towards left, then one small dot to form small letter J. Standing line, small curve, then one dot to form small letter J. Okay children, now it's time to do your book exercise. So children, take your happy writing practice book 1 and do the page number 47 and write capital letter J. Next, page number 48 and write small letter J. Thank you children.